Everyone, welcome back to Homemade Recipe and Lifestyle. My name is Lola and you are welcome to my channel. In today's recipe, I will be sharing with you guys how to make this popular Nigerian snack called burger snack. This snack is also known as coated peanut. This is very nice, crunchy and delicious. If you want to know how to make this, please keep watching. And if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and also put on your bell icon so that you get instant notifications whenever I upload new videos. To make these snacks, you will need peanuts. Here I have 4 eggs in room temperature. I have sugar. I have ground nutmeg. I have salt. And I also have vanilla extract. Here is some all-purpose flour and oil to fry. The first thing to do is to pick out the broken and the unwanted peanut from the peanut, and I will start by blanching the peanuts. I will pour the peanut into a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of salt, and I will pour hot water on them. Once I finish pouring the hot water, I will give the peanuts a stir and I'm going to cover this to sit for about 5 minutes. This will help to take out all the wine color from the peanuts. 5 minutes later, I will get a strainer and take out the peanuts from the water. Here I have some tray. I will go ahead by placing some kitchen paper towel and I will spread the peanuts on it. This will help me to get rid of any excess water from the peanuts. Once I finish spreading this peanut, I will be taking these strains to my garden and I'm going to dry this under the sun for about 1 hour to 2. It depends how the weather is. You can as well use roasted peanuts, but make sure they are not broken. If you can find anyone, once I dry the peanuts, I will spread the peanuts on the tray and I will take it to my garden and dry. While waiting for the peanut to get dried, I will go ahead by preparing my dry ingredients. Here I'm using 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm using ground nutmeg and I will sift this together in a separate bowl. For this recipe, there is no need for baking powder. Once I finish the mixing the dry ingredients, I will go ahead by preparing my wet ingredients. Here I have my 4 eggs. I will crack the eggs into a plate and I will add 4 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. Then I will whisk to make sure the sugar is well dissolved. For this recipe, if you don't want to use eggs or maybe you are allergic to eggs, you can as well use milk or water to dissolve your sugar. Now I will add the vanilla flavor and mix together. Alright guys, my peanuts is out of the sun. I will get a large bowl and I pour the peanuts inside the bowl. Now it is time to start the coating process. First, I will taste a little amount of egg mixture and sprinkle it on the peanuts, and I will mix this together. You have to do this carefully so that the peanut doesn't break. Next, I will sprinkle some flour. Then I will give this a touch. I will repeat the same process until all the peanuts are well coated. I will be doing this for 6 times. I will be coating the peanuts for 6 times. When you are doing this, you will notice that some of the peanuts are sticking together. All you need to do is to use your hand, your fingers to separate them and continue with the coating process. This is the last one, the last coating process. So I will pour the remaining egg mixture into the peanuts. I will turn this together just like this. Then I will add the remaining flour, mix everything together, turn it together, separate anyone that sticks together. It is very important to separate those that stick together so that when you are frying them, you will not have twins. Coated peanut. Next, I will get a strainer and then pour half of the coated peanuts into a strainer. Then I will take out any excess flour from the peanuts. You're not going to fry flour with the peanuts, so you have to make sure you separate them. I have my oil on a pot, on a fry pan rather, and it has already heated up. I will start by adding the coated peanuts into the oil on medium heat. Do not fry this on high heat, okay, if you want a crunchy outcome of this recipe. And I will give this a stir. I will be serving this every 5 seconds. This is the easier part of this recipe. The frying process is very easy to do. I love this process. It is very easy to fry. Once I get a golden brown color, I will take out the peanuts out of the oil, and I will repeat the same process with the remaining coated peanuts until everything is fried. Alright guys, here are my coated peanuts. This is huge, like this is a lot of peanuts here. Once they cool down, all I need to do is to put them in a sealable container and keep them in a cool and dry place in my kitchen. These are looking so beautiful. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you watch to this very moment, I say big thank you to you all. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for your amazing support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.